Multifunctional cleaning instrument. Feature 1. Remove blackhead, repair pit, remove acne. 2. Skin rejuvenation, exfoliating scrub. 3. Facial deep cleansing, pores deep cleansing. Start-stop switch, press slightly for starting, shorting for changing grade, press 3 to shut down. Supporting a set of 5 suction, use it according to the needs. Ergonomic handle design. 5 adjustable suction power. 3 colors beauty lamp. Low noise effect. USB rechargeable, eco-friendly. 5 replaceable suction heads. Beauty lamp care. Price US $16.01 to $24.92.